And let's send it over now to Rina Villamor.
Yes, according to Coach Parley Topaz earlier, what will set them apart coming into this third set against the Lady Sailors is their energy that they're giving into this game, this third set. This is the best advantage for them, lalo na at pagod na ang Lady Sailors dito. They have to play it even faster and of course the will to continue on delivering challenging balls to their opponent teams. Meanwhile, for the Lady Sailors, wala naman ang pressure na binibigay si Coach Nena dito as she reminded them just to play it with balance, timing, and patience. And Coach Nene also expects Deposoy and Laborte to be the leaders for the team. Back to you guys.
Well, we've seen Laborte actually already talking a lot during timeouts. Now, Deposoy is a little bit more silent than that, but on the court, she can get it done. So, 8-6 right now. Quintero Sale serving now for the Philippine Navy. Ferrer. Valdez off the net.
Going back row to Kainglet.
So, 9-6. Si Kainglet may tumira?
Yes.
Sabi ko sa'yo na pagkakamalang ko silang dalawa eh. Valdez at saka si
parehong
Kainglet.
tumitira from the back row, di ba?
Oo, pero yung kulay, nakaka-throw off yung kulay talaga eh. Because it's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Again, Phil Kainglet with this new tan that hindi natin siya makikilala pag naglalakad sa labas. Here's Ferrer. Going to Kainglet. Pareho pa naman yung style nila. In the words of Norinco, malapilita. Pag humabol.
Sent for Ateneo to attack.
At sinabi nga ni Ferrer,
Ako na lang. On a dump ball.
Kanina pa siya namimigay eh.
Ferrer scores one. At sanay naman tayo kay Jim. Talagang lalabas at lalabas yan dump ball na yan.
And Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Ateneo's lead is 4. Eliza.
Into the net.
It looks like Eliza is serving a lot farther than she usually does.
Siguro, she had to adjust. And maybe, alam mo, isa pa dyan yung bagong venue kasi natin.
Right.
Remember?
Pero
yung arena
dimensions
has
are the
lesser.
same.
Diba? Yung lesser yung space ng arena.
Pero dito, the dimensions of the court is still the same. Para sinabi
pareho naman sukat niya.
Parang mas magaling ka mag-free throw sa gym mo, pero pag lipat mo sa ibang gym, humingi na
Hindi ka
free
na,
throw mo. Bakit ganon? Diba?
Pareho lang naman
Pareho
yung
lang naman yun.
measurement.
Good service ace there from Jem Ferrer.
Optical illusion.
Yun na nga. Hindi naman optical. That's all in the mind.
Yes.
12-7.
Doon kasi hanggang Green Hills lang. Dito, hanggang top.
Pwede. And there is another score from the Philippine Navy. So they're getting it done. Trying to keep in step. So Joanna Potor-Carpio came into the game off the bench. Has not sat down since. Carvacio. Susan. Wide.
Too much angle. Sent it wide.
13-8. March Tejada now to put it in play for Ateneo. One of these wonder freshmen. Jump serve.
That goes a bit long.
Mahirap na talaga maghanap ng isang batch na magagaling na player na kinuha mo
At
sa
makuha mo lahat.
Sari-sari high school pa nang galing yun.
At sa'yo mapunta lahat. Mahirap na yan gawin. Because a lot of schools, syempre, agawan talaga yan eh.
Right. Gretchen Hall.
And just in between two defenders, the Philippine Navy, Galito and Mayi.
So 14-9. And again, we're still getting used to the new numbers, the new jersey numbers of Ateneo.
Wag na natin tandaan kasi papalitan din ulit, di ba? Babalik din sa dati.
Anong klaseng, anong klaseng definition yan? Lalang.
Napagod. Pati number napagod.
Mali tinanungan natin, dapat di si Phil Kainglet yung tinatanungan natin. Ganun talaga makuha mo sagot kay Phil Kainglet eh. Wala lang. 15-9. Ateneo by 6. Laborte. Dapat ili. nung hindi niya nakuha yung bola. Which is probably as funny as her sister also. 16-9. It's been all out Ateneo here in set number 3.